My name is Haidar Bagir. I'm the CEO of a publishing group called Mizan, based in Jakarta, Indonesia. We have been in the business since 1983, and we have published something like almost 20,000 titles of books, mostly in Indonesian language. And a part of being the CEO and CEO of the publishing group, I'm also a lecturer. I'm also a philanthropic worker. That's all about myself.
And you gave the vision speech here at the Markets Global Publishing Summit for Indonesia. Can you describe and discuss that vision and what you spoke about?
Actually, as I mentioned when I opened my presentation, Indonesia is much less known if compared to, for instance, European countries. Even if compared to Mexico, for instance, that will be also presenting in this forum. So I had to start by introducing the culture of Indonesia, by introducing the variations of ethnic groups, religions, languages, and those kind of things, and also the history of literature in Indonesia, from the ancient history of literature up to the modern era. And from there, I moved into providing data and information about publishing industry in Indonesia. Hopefully, it can cover the whole spectrum of information that might be needed by the.
What do you think is the key, when talking to the foreign publishing industry abroad, what are the key 2 or 3 points that you think people really need to initially understand to begin learning more about Indonesia?
Yeah, first of all, that Indonesia is a sea of opportunity. We are a country with not less than 250 million population, and also seeing from one perspective, Indonesia is less developed. But seen from another perspective, it means sea of opportunity, because most of the opportunity has not been explored. If you go to Europe, you will find like many competitors, but if you come to Indonesia, you can expect that the room for you to explore the opportunity in Indonesia is much bigger. But at the same time, I also try to present to the participants the fact that as much Indonesia is less developed if compared to Europe or United States, Indonesia has also stepped now into the IT, information technology, and also has started the digital books industry.
Yes.
We also have started our own online commerce, online stores, all the digital technology that has been developed in Europe and United States. We are now also going into that, with still leaving a sea of opportunity for traditional books and information business.
Is it largely an import market or an export market?
No, actually now, starting like 10 years ago, books written by Indonesian authors are actually dominating the market if compared to the imported books. Yeah. But this is like a new phenomenon, like this decade's phenomenon.
So the role of the writer or content producer has been developing and gaining momentum as a profession.
Very much so, because not only that, in terms of literacy, Indonesia has gained spectacular success by reaching a level of 92% literacy of its population. And also there is a very fast-growing middle class in Indonesia,
yes,
who needs information and at the same time has the buying power to buy books and other information medium.
And as the middle class gains more strength, it's aspirational, and books often play into that.
Exactly. This is what really happening in Indonesia now.
And if there was 1 or 2 best practices that a foreign publisher looking to either partner or do business with Indonesia or begin doing business, what would those be?
I think the first thing that you need to find when trying to explore the opportunity of book publishing in Indonesia is find a partner who has a really strong foundations in the market. Like our company, for instance, not only that we publish books, but we also we have our own distribution networks that covers all over Indonesia.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the most important things to do. And secondly, try to find a company that maintain what I will call a young spirit. I mean, sometimes a company was successful,
Yes.
but then it grows old
Yes.
and they are left by the advancement of here. So try to find, like we have been in the business for more than 30 years, but we are a learning organization and we always try to rejuvenate not only in terms of the age of our staffs, but also in terms of adapting to new development in the science of publishing industry, whether in a traditional printed form or more importantly in the form of digital books.
Fantastic. If people want to learn more about Nissan, where can they find this information online?
We have our own website. Unfortunately, most of the material still in Bahasa Indonesia, but we have our own section in English. So mizan.com.
Fantastic. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama, terima kasih.